Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make Kerala special coconut dosa chutney. You will definitely love this recipe if you have it along with dosa for sure. Let's move to the video. In a grinder, take 1.5 cup of grated coconut. Add 3 shallots, 3 green chillies, half-inch ginger, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 3/4 cup of water. Grind it into semi-paste form. Transfer it into a bowl. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil, then make it into medium flame. Add half teaspoon mustard seeds. Wait until it splutter. Add 2 red chillies cut into halves, 4 sliced shallots, 7 to 8 curry leaves. Mix it well. Shallots should change its color slightly to golden yellow color. Now we can switch off the flame and add this to previous grinded mixture. Mix it well. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Our Kerala style coconut chutney for dosa and idli is ready.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.